All right, and just like that, the new part used, but new part is in. Remember, it's called the ignition pickup. In Spanish, it's gonna be pastilla de encendido. So that was my issue. This little piece right here, which goes right there, is held by two small screwdrivers. Like I said in the first video, you need a small screwdriver to unscrew this thing, because this is the space that you have, and then you have another one right here, another small screwdriver, a screw, I mean, right there. So it's held by two screwdrivers. So now I'm gonna test, and I don't know if you remember that in the first video when I give crank, there's no crank, but now starts at the first time, at the first try, because the problem is fixed. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, I hope you give me a thumbs up. And this video is coming all the way from Guatemala representing. Thank you, everybody.